Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. And today is a perfect day for a long ride. Our estimated time to cover is around 70 kilometers. As you can see, gloomy po yung weather. Very perfect for a long ride. Our current temperature is about 26 degrees, so sakto lang. Anyway, we ride out late around 2:45 and hoping matapos pag 6:30 or 6 p.m. Okay, ride with me, let's go. I am trying to maintain my zone, hoping na mag-maintain kasi ang hirap pa lang mag-maintain. Anyway, yun lang. Headwind. Kamote. I am now at the municipality of Javier Leyte. 100 meters ay magto-turn right na tayo going to Labas. And medyo mainit-init na guys. Anyway, sana magtuloy-tuloy lang kaysa naman umulan. Madalas halos every Sunday may laro dito, Criterium, road bike and fixie. I believe ay wala pang mountain bike. And dito naman sa left side ay dito nabali yung hanger ko, RD hanger ng K-Sport Ulti Pro, RD hanger or dropout. This is now municipality of MacArthur, Barangay Palali 2. Ayan. Kanina sa left side ay going to Mahagnaw, Burawin Road. Naruta na namin yun before and unfortunately hindi tayo nakapag-video, and hopefully sa next ride natin going Mahagnaw ay makapag-video tayo. And maganda yung mga tanawin dun. Karumata. Mukhang hindi in favor yung weather natin today. Parang uulan. Anyway, once we get to La Paz, ay magde-decide tayo kung magpo-push through tayo going to Burauen or balik na ng Abuyog. Headwind, Buracan Funnel Bridge. Ayan. Looks like makakat short yung destination natin today, yung route natin today, kasi may pumapatak-patak na ulan and madilim yung ulap sa destination. Tinawagan ko yung tao ko na andun sa pupuntahan sana natin, and unfortunately may pumapatak na ulan na rin doon. So we might as well cut our route short and next time na lang. I think we will cut our route short today kasi based sa tinawagan ko, which is nasa destination na pupuntahan sana natin, ay maulan na, and dito ay pumapatak-patak na rin yung ulan. Medyo madilim na. Better luck next time. Our current distance is 23 kilometers. Riding time is 52 minutes. Siguro hindi na lang muna natin itutuloy kasi madilim talaga doon sa destination na pupuntahan natin. Madilim yung ulap. May clearing ng Dorelco. Anyway, we are in La Paz and this road is going to Mayorga town proper. We decided not to push through kasi alam mo na madilim yung ulap and bawal tayong magkasakit. Better safe than sorry. Anyway, importante nakapag-exercise tayo today. Mukhang sakto yung decision natin sa buhay. Mukhang sakto yung decision natin today kasi yung sasakyan na nasa harapan ko ay basa. Galing siya ng area na kung saan ay pupunta tayo. Okay, we are now approaching the town proper of Mayorga. Going to the left is going to Tacloban and right tayo going to Abuyog. Yan. Unfortunately, madilim din yung cloud sa buyog. Ha. Okay, we are now approaching MacArthur Leyte. Which is a municipality next to my hometown. May 38 kilometers distance na tayo. Sakto, siguro mga 45 kilometers total for the loop. Our plan was instantly changed. Plano sana natin zone 2 lang, pero mahirap kasi yung weather ay unpredictable. Maganda sana kasi hindi mainit, pero yung ulan yung hesitant tayo. Okay, this is town proper of MacArthur. Shibuya Crossing. Okay. Chikating patrol. Race against the wind. Race against the rain. La, ganito. Approaching Buyog boundary. Umulan na pala dito. As you can see, basa na yung daan. I am happy that nakapag-exercise na tayo before the rain. Alright guys, I am going home now and our estimated distance is about 50 kilometers and maganda na yung weather dito. I'm almost home and makapag-coffee na. 48.31. Total riding time is 101 hour and 44. Yan.